Hello everyone, this is your girl Sister Moniz and welcome in Sister Moniz Cuisine. It is always a pleasure when you stop by. Please do not pass by my video, not like it, not share it, because I take time, I made it especially for you. Please say something. Please do not pass this video not saying anything, okay? So we're gonna make legume. We need chayote, eggplant, papaya, carrot. This is my seasoning meat, and this is the tomato with oil. So I let my meat cook. This is beef. This is the beef meat that I'm cooking, and this is the vegetables that after I peel it. So I'm going to let it cook in this pressure cooker. I cover it and I'm going to let it cook, family. And this is my seasoning crab that I'm going to add to my legume. And this is the meat, okay, it was already cooked. Now I'm going to add some tomato sauce on it and mix it. Let it steam a little bit so it can melt with all the seasoning on it. And do not forget, put your seasoning. If it does not have seasoning, it's not gonna taste better, family. And this is my vegetables. I peel it after I let it cook, and now I'm going to let it smash it. Use anything, and I mix everything together, the crab, and I add some frozen spinach on it. But if you don't like spinach, you can skip that. Okay, it's up to you. You can make your food however you want it. Family, if you have a Haitian husband, you got to know how to cook those type of food. Other than that, I'm not saying you're not going to have a husband if you're lucky, but please, I advise you, I encourage you, learn how to cook for your men, okay? Because those men depend on you as a mother. It's better for you to know how to cook your food. Me, I have my three girls. I make sure they know how to cook, because tomorrow they don't know which man they're gonna have. It's not like they're gonna specially cook for the men, but you still have to teach them, okay? So this is my legume. Make sure you put garlic powder, onion powder, clove, hot pepper, all your favorite seasoning, paprika. You can put Maggie, and I put butter on it. This is how the food look like. And this is my man, okay? He enjoy it. We've been together for like 25 years. So this is what keep us together. I make sure he feed, okay? I feed him. And make sure you feed yours too. So if you want have that, stay that long with your man, feed your man. Bye. Jesus love you. Comment commencer manger.